First-time visitors to Ethiopia are bound to notice one thing about the local currency, the birr.
The biggest note in Ethiopia is about 200 shilling, so you need to carry a lot of notes to go to the supermarket.
That is the problem M-PESA in Ethiopia is likely to solve. Unlike Kenya, where M-PESA was launched 7 years after the launch of Safaricom, the company that nurtured and helped the platform grow, M-PESA arrived in Ethiopia just 7 months after Safaricom Ethiopia's telecommunication network started.
The starting point is very different because you don't have yet a big telecom base that you can offer M-PESA services to. So launching telco and M-PESA at the same time is quite unique. Doesn't mean that it's not going to be successful, but it is challenging because you don't have that base yet. The other difference between Ethiopia and Kenya is the use case. In Kenya, the original use case that has been the foundation of our success is pretty much about money transfer. Okay, in the old days, you needed to give money in an envelope to the bus driver, who then would deliver it to a family member 500 kilometers away in Kisumu.
That challenge does not exist in Ethiopia, where there are about 30 banks in operation with an extensive network of about 8,250 branches and ATMs serving the population of close to 125 million.
So we are not solving the money transfer problem. What we are solving in Ethiopia with M-PESA is the digital payment, the cash payments to be replaced by digital payments. If you want to be successful with a new product, you need to be relevant. You need to be able to solve a problem, a pain point for customers, and then you become very successful. So that pain point we're solving in Ethiopia, replacing cash payments with digital payments.
The CEO is encouraged by the fact that so far, close to a third of M-PESA's 10 million customers in Ethiopia use digital channels, and the company is trying to educate customers to use digital rather than the older USSD channels.
Using a smartphone to do a USSD transaction just doesn't make sense. When you have an app, a very nice app, we try to educate customers, go straight to the app, and then once you're hooked to the app, there's no way you go back to USSD transactions. So the journey is very different. We're also launching, from day one our bank tech services. Probably it took 5 or 10 years before M-PESA in Kenya launched bank tech services.
With a population of close to 125 million, with about 2.5 million turning 18 every year, the potential in Ethiopia is huge.
We are leapfrogging and we are jumping. We try to do 18 years in 18 months. We are on a journey and I'm very committed and convinced that we will get there. We will make M-PESA a success story in Ethiopia.
In addition to the digital payment services through M-PESA, Safaricom customers in Ethiopia will soon start enjoying the Fuliza offering along with long-term loans, saving products and insurance.